Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making eggplant string bean stir-fry. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut the eggplant into strips and the green beans into sections. This helps them absorb the flavors better during cooking. Next, mince the garlic, slice the ginger, cut the green onions into sections, and cut the dried red chili peppers into sections to prepare for cooking. Then, pour a suitable amount of oil into a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the dried red chili peppers, garlic and chili sauce, and sauté until fragrant. The aroma will be enticing. Add green beans and eggplant, stirring constantly until they change color. At this point, the eggplant and green beans become more appealing. Next, add soy sauce and salt to enhance the flavor. Finally, remove from heat and plate. Your delicious eggplant and green beans dish is now ready to enjoy. Friends, you must try our eggplant string bean stir-fry. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.